Life is a mountain, and sometimes there is more than one peak. We go up and we go down, and sometimes the downward spiral is stronger than the upwards one. But that's life. We have ups and downs, and during these times, I have learned one thing: inner peace and tranquility. Just like the mountains that roar, and the wind and howling rains that fall, as humans, there is nothing that we cannot battle together. One day, the fog will lift and the sun will shine. The days will be brighter and everything will feel fine. Right now, we're in the thick of it, we're in the deep, but we must stay strong, for better days are on the way. Spring, sunshine and bluebells and long sunny days. Take care and look after one another, and most of all, stay safe and be happy wherever you can. Namaste.